Hello, welcome to Anita the Pedagogue channel. Today, we continue with our poetry analysis. The poem we are going to discuss today is The Instant of My Death. Let's move on to the summary and analysis of the poem The Instant of My Death by Sarah Jackson. So from the lines 1 to 4, the poem commences with the speaker complaining about the discomfort she faced in a cramped bus while his or her partner or a passenger whom she's traveling with read the Jakarta Tales 3 rows from the back. The speaker uses enjambed lines to depict how continuous the journey is, portraying the theme of journey in this poem. And this could be a journey to spiritual enlightenment due to the mention of the Jakarta Tales, which projects the Buddhist religion. The complaints are made by the speaker using vivid imagery. First, she describes the discomfort from a passenger using a simile. The fat man rubbed against my leg like a damn cat. Then secondly, the speaker complains about the discomfort from the long hours in the bus, and probably that is due to the poor road which causes stumbling on and the wheels and hours grinding and tripping. This also shows the challenges the passengers or pilgrims face in their quest to find enlightenment or journey in life. The speaker reveals the journey is towards Spiti, the land between Tibet and India. The beauty of the landscape is highlighted through the personification. Spiti rose up around us, sky propped open by its peak. Let's move on to the lines 5 and 7. Here the speaker quits the complaining tone and reveals her boredom as she traces a rock line on the window of the bus, mirroring the mountainous surroundings that she was in. She then focuses on the happenings outside the bus as she counted cows and gompers. She is a bit sleepy at this point until the bus reaches Ground Full, the place where roads to Lahore Valley and Spiti Valley diverge. This divergence gives a segregation idea and the various paths in life. Lines 8 to 12. The speaker recounts seeing a thin boy in red flannels squat between two dabbas. The speaker uses a metaphor, a black-eyed being slipped in between two cracks, to describe how small the boy was, as well as how far the moving bus was from the dabbas. The turning point is that the speaker almost missed the size of him, only for the boy, who is described as gap-toothed, to turn and shoot at the speaker with a toy gun. The boy here symbolizes innocence and fragility, while his actions demonstrate a sharp contrast of the speaker's mundane bus ride. The experience creates tension and leaves the speaker with a form of rediscovery as the speaker recounts sort of dying and coming back to life, with the use of the literary device caesura, a pause which we see in line 11, with a toy gun, full stop, and the piece of me stopped. So here it is emphasizing the weight of the moment and the emotional shift that occurs. This also links to the title of the poem, as in the instant of my death, that instant when the little boy shot her with a toy gun. In spite of this experience, the journey moves on as the fat man she complained about earlier cracks open an apple with his thumb. A shocking observation. Now, the cracking of the apple is something that seems impossible, and this also demonstrates some impossibilities that occur in the journey of life. Now, this brings us to the end of our summary and analysis of the poem The Instant of My Death. Kindly click the link below for a complete discussion of the language and style, that is the literary devices that have been used in this poem. Until I come your way again, keep learning and be the best version of yourself. And don't forget to hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more content like this.